I currently own a 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia Q4. I think it's probably around one of the 10, if not less, Giulia around Winnipeg. We bought it roughly 2 months ago, and it got imported here from Italy. It costs us around 69,000 American dollars, or around 70 if you want to round it up, make big numbers. So I'm gonna show you guys around. Here it is. This is the Alfa Romeo Giulia Q4. It's all white with gunmetal grey rims. This is the also known as one of the original Alfa Romeo rims, with no other dealership, no other car brand makes this. Also, if you come in closer, you'll also see that the calipers for the car is also Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo makes a lot of the different type stuff. Now, if you come over here, I'm gonna open up the front door for you. If you come behind me, gentlemen. As you can see, there's LEDs already in the pocket. Oh, I opened this, and this is actually the user's manual for the Alfa Romeo, and this will show you all the documents. And I just put it right here, snug into this compartment. Oh, I cannot close it for some reason. It does not want to close. It's closed now. Okay, anyways, if you come in here, you will see that it has a very nice red interior. Actually, this is not standard. This costs extra for us to make. Now, if you go in the back, you will also see it's red too. It has nice seats, super comfortable, and you can lean back in it, and it is very, very nice. Also, Alfa Romeo also bags with their own seats. You will see that there is actually a logo there, but you probably cannot see it due to the lights. Now, if you go to the back here, you will also see it has a full sunroof, so in the front and the back. It also has two exhaust exhaust duct, 1, 2, and here's the Q4 Giulia. Here's the Alfa Romeo badge. Well, what is Alfa Romeo? Alfa Romeo is like the Honda to Acura. So the Acura in this point is Maserati. We actually bought this from a Maserati dealership about 3 months ago. Now, if you move to the driver's side, you will see that it actually has paddle shifters. Although it is automatic, has a push start button here, and these are full metal paddle shifters. And unlike the traditional knob to shift to go to drive neutral, although this is automatic, all you have to do is push once or pull once. Also, although it's a really expensive car, it's not a touchscreen. But to compensate for that, they have this really sleek turning wheel, so you can adjust wherever you want. Now, if I can pop the hood, if I can find where that is, I am correct. It is that. Okay, this is actually my mother's car. Originally, she had a 2007 Mini Cooper Sport S. It did not fare well in this Winnipeg weather, so we got this bad boy for my mother's and father's anniversary. Alfa Romeo, this is actually a Ferrari engine, since Alfa Romeo also is like Ferrari, they're also like companions. Anyway, what we have in here is a V4 turbo engine. Actually, if you can see right here, there's a turbo right there. I don't want to touch it, I don't want to get burnt. It's a 2-liter, and it produces 280 horsepower, and it's 4-wheel drive. It's very sleek and it's very clean. Okay. Also in here you can see in the headlights, no other brand does this, but there's a long LED stripe, which is the original headlight, and then this big circle one, which would be traditional to all the other cars, would be actually the high beams, and the bottom one is the fog lights. So there's no fog lights there to disrupt the view because all of these sensors, these are all sensors. This car is wrapped around sensors for all the safety features. Also, Alfa Romeo has a very recognizable front grille. Only Alfa Romeo has this grille. This is the traditional grille. It's in a V shape. Also, due to that, nobody wants to disrupt that, so we had to put the license plate on the left side by the driver's side, because it would, if it was anywhere else, it would disrupt all the sensors. Also, during summer, we also want to put a spoiler, like on the Quadrifoglio, like the bigger brother of it. Anyway, also you might have noticed that my father has his Ducati. This is also an Italian motorcycle, which is like the Ferrari of motorcycles. Anyway, this is the 696 cc's. I'm not sure how much is that in horsepower, but I know that this is a mad ride. It is very fast and very loud. I can hear about a block away from when he's turning in. He's never got into an accident, and as you can see, it's going into the vibe of white, red, black, and black. So it really sums up everything. So it's a really nice garage setup that we have here because it's all Italian. So this is what we call the Italian garage. Thank you. That's all.